What it do, CEEFAM? It's your boy C-Will back at it with another slight video, man. Y'all look, today's video just gonna be going over how much do I pay in car insurance, man. Not only in car insurance, y'all, how much do I pay in insurance overseas in Germany, man, right? Does it differ? Is it the same? Right, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all boys know my deductible, bro, whether it's comprehensive, collision. Some of y'all boys riding around out there, bro, with just collision. Some of y'all boys riding around dirty with just comprehensive. I don't know why. I'd rather have collision than comprehensive because it's more likely people gonna get into an accident versus somebody breaking into your car or hail hitting your car. But that's neither here nor there, CEEFAM. I'm just saying, if y'all boys got insurance, at least have collision. It's great to have both comprehensive and collision, which is full coverage. But yeah, y'all, hey, let's just get into it, man. You know what I mean? How much do we pay for insurance overseas in Germany for our 2022 Hellcat Charger wide body, man? So hey, y'all new to the channel, CEEFAM, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, bro. I really like this green in like nature. You know what I mean, y'all? Look at that. I really like that green in nature, y'all. Don't ask me why, but I just do. It's something about it, y'all. Look at that, boy. It's really just something about it, y'all. You know what I mean? So yeah, hey, make sure y'all boys like, subscribe, comment, man, all that good stuff, you heard me? Let's get all right, CEEFAM, starting out, y'all, right? Germany insurance, or just insurance in Europe overall, CEEFAM. So prior to me coming here, y'all, I did have Geico, man. I think I was paying like $3 something a month for insurance on this car, y'all. So in turn, the way I break mine up in the military, y'all, I like to do shit. Okay, I'll do half on the first, I'll do half on the 15th. All right, y'all. Now they always say, y'all, it's cheaper to just pay the 6-month premium up front. All right, y'all know how true that is, man, so that you can save bread. Honestly speaking, y'all, I don't do that, bro. I never pay my 6-month premium up front. You know, y'all, I could use that money for other stuff. I can leverage my money. I can do whatever I want. But yeah, y'all, like I said, prior to me coming here to Germany, I was in I was with Geico, y'all. And like I said, I was paying $3 something a month, you heard me, for this car, which to a lot of y'all, brother, y'all gonna say it's steep. Damn, see, Will, my boy, you paying a grip, you paying this much for the car note, then on top of that, bro, you paying this much for insurance. Y'all, that's what comes with a car like this. All right, y'all, like you gonna, man, it costs to play. Well, damn, you gotta pay to play. Yeah, y'all boys know what I mean. You gotta pay to play, CEEFAM. All right, so with that being said, y'all, I came into owning this car with the mindset of, hey, I gotta have my credit together, and hey, I gotta have my goddamn finances together if I even want to be able to try to afford this car. All right, CEEFAM. So yeah, as soon as I got here, y'all, I hit up USAA. Well, I actually asked around first. You know what I mean, y'all? I was trying to see who has the best insurance in Germany. All right, y'all. Like, I pretty much based that off of price. All right, I based that off of like customer service as well, y'all. You know what I mean? Like if I get into an accident or something, like, can I call USAA and they gonna come out, send a tow truck? Or if anything happened, do I need roadside assistance? Who can I call? All right, y'all. So yeah, I asked the little Facebook groups, and yeah, everybody said, hey, go with USAA. So that's what I did, y'all. So I'm currently insured, right, with USAA. All right, y'all. Yeah, they pretty much made it easy, y'all. So something that differs from insurance in the States versus insurance overseas here in Germany, y'all. So you know how I said earlier in the video, man, like I believe it's almost any insurance you go with in the States, right? They all offer you a 6-month premium. All right, y'all. So they're gonna give you the monthly price. Hey, sir, ma'am, this is what you're gonna be paying monthly for your car. All right, you can split up the payments however you want to split them up. Okay, cool. And then also, this is the 6-month premium for your vehicle. All right, and you can pay that up front, or you can just pay it monthly. And then yeah, I believe the longer you have your car with that company, right, it should get lower every 6 months, right? Because you're proving, hey, you're loyal. You're also proving, hey, you didn't have no insurance claims, right? So which in turns, you building that trust with that insurance company, so they'll most likely drop your premium once you prove to them, hey, you're a good driver, you're in good standing with us, you pay all your bills on time. So yeah, so in the States, they have a 6-month premium, right? In Germany, though, with USAA, we have a 12-month premium, y'all, right? Which is crazy. Now, I don't want y'all to jump to conclusions and think, oh, you know, like it's gonna cost more, Will, because damn, you paying over 12 months. You know what I mean? However, not necessarily, CEEFAM. So what I pay for this car in insurance, all right, y'all, every single month, I pay $212 for this car, y'all, insurance wise. every single month. All right, y'all. So me paying, hold on, let me flip y'all boys around. So me paying $212 a month, y'all, in insurance on this car, y'all, pretty much do $106 on the first. All right, $106 on the 15th, CEEFAM. All right, so I think, hold up, bro. Let me get my phone out too, y'all. Hold on, boy. Let me put y'all boys down because I got to get my phone out, man. Oh, just so I can give y'all boys the facts. All right, cool. Just so I can give y'all boys the facts, man, because yeah, I don't have this stuff on the top of my head. All right, yeah, so I paid $106.12 on the first, $106.12 on the 15th, y'all, right? And I do that every single month. All right, y'all. So my annual auto premium, right? So which is my due balance for 12 months, all right, y'all, equals $2,270.62, y'all. So that's my 12-month premium. All right, y'all. So if y'all really want to do the math, all right, so since I'm paying $212 for 12 months, all right, y'all, just imagine if they did for 6 months. All right, y'all. So instead of me paying $212 for 12 months, I'd probably be paying $414 a month if it was like back in the States. You know what I mean? If I went with USA. All right, CEEFAM. So that's that, man. Hold up, but let me figure this camera out. I'm trying to turn this auto face track enabled, whatever. But yeah, CEEFAM. So that's pretty much, man, how it works, y'all. So like I said, I pretty much $2,200, man, for 12 months of premium, right? You do 2,200 divided by 12 months, right? Because like I said, it's a 12-month premium. Then you'll get that $212 per month. All right, now with that, CEEFAM, with that, all right, my comprehensive, like I pretty much kept everything the exact same. All right, y'all. So my comprehensive, bro, is $1,000, right? My collision deductible is $1,000 as well, CEEFAM. Ideally, right, the lower deductible you have, CEEFAM, right, the more expensive your insurance is gonna be, right, y'all? Because say for example, man, I get into a badass accident, bro, knock on one of these trees or whatever. I get into a badass accident, bro, all right, and the insurance doesn't total my car. They deem my car not totalable, right? They deem my car fixable. All right, y'all. The damages on my car end up being $15,000, y'all. Something drastic, something crazy, right? If my deductible is only $500, $250, $100, $50, or even zero, because yes, you can get a zero deductible, but that's the most, that's like fully covered. That's, man, if you get into an accident, y'all, you don't got to pay nothing. Just take that boy to an approved repair shop through your insurance, and then they can fix it. All right, y'all. But as I was saying, bro, like the lower your deductible is, CEEFAM, the more expensive your insurance is, because the insurance has to take a big hit, right? Because you're pretty much taking that hit all throughout the year, right? Paying on it, paying a high premium rate, paying a high monthly, I guess, high monthly insurance costs, just to ensure that whenever, or if you get into an accident, that hey, I either don't have to pay nothing, or I only got to pay $50 or $100 or $250, $500, right? Deductibles vary. I think the highest deductible I ever seen between any insurance I ever been on is like $2,500, y'all. But obviously your insurance is going to be super cheap because you got a high deductible. But shit, if you get into an accident and you want to go through insurance, you're gonna come out of pocket at $2,500. You know, now granted, $2,500 is better than $15,000, right, y'all? So I would advise everybody out there, man, whether you young and you gotta get on your parents' insurance just for the time being, you know what I mean? You break them off some bread, and you heard me, they gonna help you out. Or shit, ever since I was 18, CEEFAM, I was on my own insurance, bro. I wasn't on nobody insurance. I did it, I'm not gonna say the right way, right? There's no real right way, right? It's just all about what you can afford, CEEFAM. So yeah, I'm curious to know, man, how much y'all boys paying insurance? What's y'all deductible? Shit, y'all boys digging my business? I'm in y'all business. Yeah, you heard me? So how much y'all pay, man? You know, you don't gotta say the exact number. I know some of y'all boys that's under 25, man, they hitting y'all over the head. You heard me? They taxing y'all, bro. You know, and man, I feel like insurance, bro, is a big scheme, bro. They be scheming them insurance companies, bro. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's how much I pay, CEEFAM. $212, right, for a 12-month premium. All right, y'all. I think that's doable. I think that's really good considering, bro, I'm only 28, right? I'm a male that's deemed, I'm not saying high risk because I'm over 25, right? But you know, like, I feel like they quote males higher than females, but I feel like females drive worse than males. But males are a higher risk because we just take chances, we crazy, we do all that extra stuff that females may not do sometimes in certain situations. But that's neither here nor there, CEEFAM. Like I said, bro, that's how much I pay, bro, to be insured here in Germany, y'all. There was another company as well. I think it's called Miriscon, M-I-R-I-S-C-O-N. I didn't even go and get rates. All right, y'all. I didn't go get no other quotes. I just figured, hey, this is pretty much beating my Geico insurance in the States. If I was covering that, then shit, I'm saving bread over here. Something that's weird over here, y'all, like I had to call the USAA in London. Like the office is in London. There's no Germany USAA. The office is weird. It's in London, bro. So I found that pretty weird. You know what I mean? But hey, predominantly, bro, people got USAA here. If you're in the military, bro, I think USAA is the way to go. They're gonna take care of you, bro, to the best of their ability, CEEFAM, and all that good stuff, bro. But hey, whenever you, like, before you gonna lock in a deal or a rate with somebody, CEEFAM, it's always good, bro, to shop around, because you never know what the next company is gonna offer, right? Like, it don't matter if say for example, if USAA quoted me $200 flat a month, maybe another company is gonna offer me $180 a month with similar stuff to offer. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So I'm taking that $180. I don't care about the damn name. Insurance is insurance, I don't care, you know. But yeah, CEEFAM, obviously, bro, your insurance is gonna vary by, man, your age, right, y'all? What kind of car are you insuring? Are you insuring a car that's worth $70,000, $80,000, bro, right? Like, is the car a big risk? You know what I mean? Does the car go super fast? What kind of engine it got? You know what I mean? Is it an SUV, right? Because obviously the more regular your car is, the cheaper it might be. All right, y'all. So now that's just me saying, hey, a Honda Accord insurance, I would have probably paid $100 even, right? Versus a Hellcat insurance, I am gonna pay to play every single time, CEEFAM. And like I said, I hope y'all can understand that, bro. You got to pay to play in this world, CEEFAM, and that's just the kind of world that we live in, y'all. So yeah, hopefully, bro, y'all was able to get some good information from this video, CEEFAM, on how insurance work, man. And it's so weird, y'all, because like if you have a red car, like, you're gonna get charged more as well. I don't know what the whole thing is about red cars and this and that, y'all. I don't know how insurance be scheming, bro, but I know they be scheming, bro. So hey, keep your eyes peeled, man, and just, yeah, trying to lock in the best rate, man, with the best customer service, the best reviews. Do your own research, man. Ask y'all homeboys, y'all homegirls, hey, who y'all got for insurance? How are they? How was the encounter? How was the experience, man? Because that's really what it come down to, y'all. Like, you paying them, they not paying y'all. You know what I mean? So hey, you got to get the most out of your insurance, man, right? Get somebody you trust, bro. But hey, your boy C Will about to wrap up this video, y'all. I appreciate y'all boys, man. Hey, this is during the work week, man. You heard me? I just got off work. It's probably about 5:30. This daylight savings or the time change now, so it really don't get dark until shit like 7 o'clock. It's 5:49 p.m. right now, y'all. But it's beautiful out here, though. You know what I mean? It's really nice. So shit, I'm out here making videos. I'm grinding after work. You heard me? Yeah, after work, man. So hey, like I always say, man, I appreciate y'all boys, man. Make sure y'all boys leave a like on the video, bro. Shit, comment down below, man, who y'all got through insurance, man, right? Like what state y'all got too, because that also differs in your insurance. Some states, mug's gonna drive worse. California insurance is way higher than maybe Louisiana insurance, I'm pretty sure. New York insurance is probably, I don't know, I feel like New York could probably vary because not a lot of people drive in New York. But New York is also very busy, you know, so that could be hit or miss, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's also gonna vary, bro, off of what state you're in as well, CEEFAM, because some states are worse drivers than others. So they gonna bump your insurance up because it's more risky of them insuring you. Yeah, all that good stuff. But hey, look, y'all new to the channel, bro, make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. You heard me, CEEFAM. Hey, I'm C Will and y'all CEEFAM, or y'all CEEFAM and I'm C Will. However I say it, it don't matter. Same thing, tomato, tomato. Yeah, hey, I'll holla at y'all boys on the next one, baby.